Do you want to learn English faster and better than before? And speak with more confidence? Then you are at the right place. Today we have 4 exciting parts: listening practice, vocabulary, question and answers, shadowing practice. If you watch it many times, you will see the real progress in your English speaking skills. So let's get ready. But before that, please like and subscribe. So let's begin.
First, you will listen a short English conversation. Just relax and try to understand the main idea. Don't worry about every single word. This will help you enjoy listening and understanding natural English better.
I've been wondering about our presentation strategy for tomorrow. I feel we should keep it straightforward and focus only on the key results. Too much detail might baffle the audience.
I see what you mean, but some of the senior managers may want to understand the process behind those results, not just the outcome.
Please subscribe. That's a fair point. They do tend to ask detailed questions, especially about how decisions were made.
Exactly. If we bounce the background completely, it might look like we're hiding something or oversimplifying the work.
True. At the same time, we don't want to overload them with information. Attention spans are short, and we only have 15 minutes.
That's fair. Maybe we can structure it in layers, start with the big picture, then go deeper only if they ask.
I like that idea. It gives us flexibility. Still, I'm slightly concerned about the time limit.
That's understandable. We could prepare a concise main presentation and keep the extra details in backup slides.
That's a fair point. Backup slides would allow us to respond confidently without rushing.
Right. It also shows that we're well prepared, even if we don't use everything.
You're right. Preparation does make a difference. Another thing, I think we should be careful with our tone. We need to sound confident, not defensive.
I agree. Confidence comes from clarity. If we're clear about our message, the tone will follow naturally.
That's a fair point. Sometimes I overthink how I sound instead of focusing on what I'm saying.
We all do, but sincerity, your points are strong. As long as we stay calm and professional, we'll be fine.
Thanks, I appreciate that. So, to summarize, simple main slides, detailed backup slides, and a confident delivery.
Exactly. That way, we respect their time while still addressing their concerns.
That sounds like a solid plan. I'm glad we talked this through.
Me too. These discussions always lead to better decisions.
Agreed. And just to say it again, you made some fair points today.
Thanks. So did you.
This was the end. In the next episode, we are going to vocabulary. Until please like and subscribe. And don't forget to watch this video many times, as it will improve your English speaking skills. Bye.